With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everybody. Now considering equal masses, get the expression for the velocities of bodies after the collision. Now let us suppose we are taking two masses. One is your mass m1, another is mass m2. And we are showing the condition before collision and after collision, right? So this is our masses, and what we have assumed here that the masses are having an initial velocity u1 and u2. This is for mass m1, this is for m2. So this is before collision. This figure is for before collision. Now we are drawing this second figure. This is of m1 mass. It is having a velocity, final velocity v1, and m2 is having a final velocity v2. So this figure is after collision. So as we know, for perfect elastic collision, in perfect elastic collision, the expression for v1 and v2, for v1 it is equal to m1 minus m2 upon m1 plus m2 and plus twice of m2 u2 upon m1 plus m2. So this is our equation 1. For v2 we know it is twice of m1 u1 upon m1 plus m2 plus m2 minus m1 into u2 upon m1 plus m2. So this is our equation 2. Now the other problem, they have said the masses are equal, that is the condition is m1 is equal to m2 is equal to mass m. So under this condition, the equation 1, if you substitute this m1 equal to m2 equal to m, we get v1 is equal to u2. And in equation 2, if you put this condition m1 equal to m2, we get v2 is equal to u1. So we come to conclusion that velocity of the two bodies of equal masses, that the velocities of two bodies of equal masses under elastic collision their velocities are interchanged. Velocities of two bodies of equal masses under elastic collision collation are interchanged. This can be seen from this equation 3 and equation 4. So V1 is equal to the initial velocity of the mass m2, and V2, the final velocity of mass m2, becomes the initial velocity of mass m1. So that is the expression for equal masses for the velocity of bodies after collision, which is given by equation 3 and 4. Hope you have understood this. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.